Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Funny Bunny. In the session we shall read the prose and look at the meaning of new words. Here is a story of Funny Bunny and its friends, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey.
One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. On the way, he met Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky.
The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Cocky Locky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Lucky Ducky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Pussy Goosey.
The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Pussy Goosey. And off they went to find the king. On the way they met Woxy Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king.
The king lives here, said Woxy Foxy. Follow me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey.
Oh ho! Poor Bunny, Penny, Locky, Ducky and Goosey were all killed and eaten by Foxy and his friends. That's why you should be very careful, and you should not follow someone blindly. Let's look at the meaning of new words. The word nut means the dry fruit of particular trees that grows in a hard shell and can often be eaten.
Example sentences are: Squirrels store nuts for the winter. I like roasted ground nuts.
The word ouch is used to express sudden physical pain or mental anxiety.
Example sentences are: Ouch! Stop pulling, you're hurting me. Ouch! The fall of coconut on me was very painful.
The word met as past tense of meet. Meet means to see and talk to someone for the first time.
Example sentences are: I met my friend yesterday at the playground. I met my cousin last Diwali.
The word off is used to mean away from a place or position.
Example sentences are: It is very hot. Take your jacket off. The buttons have come off my shirt.
In English language, certain set of words are used together, very often, and we have made a shortcut to write them. When we write I'm, it means I am. When we write I'll, it means I will. When we write we're, it means we are. It is as simple as that. Don't get confused next time you see such words. Having understood some of the new words, let's answer the questions from the textbook. Fill in the blanks.
One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king what he saw.
Let's see how well you remember the story. Tell who said these words in the story.
Ouch! The sky is falling down. Funny Bunny said these words when Nut fell on him. I must tell the king. Funny Bunny said these words.
The king lives here. Foxy Foxy said these words. Follow me. Foxy Foxy said these words.
What happened to all the animals in the end?
Foxy Foxy eats all the animals in the end.
Both of you answered well. With this we have come to the end of the session, lesson, Funny Bunny.